Weak as always. Luke, I am your Goldfish's brother's apprentice's former roommate. No, that's not right. Who wrote on this? I didn't write this. I am your brother's, father's, sister's, cousin's, former Goldfish's dog's pet. What? Oh, there we go, that's it. I am your... What? No. You are my father. What the... No, wait, where is it? Hold on. Oh, I ripped the paper, this stupid... It doesn't matter. What matters is that something.
What? Just shut up!
Oh, look. Bossman's up there.
Do people actually find this funny?
I don't know, but someone's got family issues.